All right, guys, so as you can see here, this was the price at which I was able to purchase this amazing thing, but not anymore. Not anymore. This was before all the craziness with politics happened in 2022 and previous. So I think that I was able to purchase this. I can't remember. I'm not sure if the date is on there. Maybe somebody with proper math skills and stuff can figure it out. But anyway, I was able to buy this before all the craziness with politics happened at a mere $10, which is amazing for something this small and this capable. Again, as I said before, not only can this drive a bunch of vehicles and be awesome with all that, you can install a full Linux operating system on this thing and you run it with a micro SD card and everything. It's got HDMI ports. I wish it had USB-C, but
Likey.